up, YouTube? This is William Wade here, and we're about to go in here and check out this building. Well, it's a residential that this new business owner she just did. And yesterday I came out here, man, and I went to the wrong door, and I was trying to use the code and it wouldn't work, but I was at the wrong door, come to find out. So today, here I am again. Now she has done the job, and so now we're about to go in and we're about to see exactly how she's done. I have got the right code, unlock the door. It smells good in here. It smells real good. The stove looks good. Everything looks pretty good. Let me look at this. Look in the refrigerator. Refrigerator looks pretty good, but it's my first time coming in here. Oh, you know what? I need to bid this too. While I'm here, I need to bid and see what's going on. So I could do that on her. All right, so here's a room right here. And this is about, I say about 15 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes because I know it's going to be another smaller room in here. Bathroom, I say 30. See this one right here? I give this one here 45 minutes. It's because the tub is bigger and it's 2 sinks. So I give that one 45 minutes. And this room right here, I say 30 minutes for this room. And then we got this other small room, which is 15. So there you go for your hour and a half. Your other bathroom here, that's 2 hours. Then we have this little 15 here, 15-inch, and a 15 on the stairs. So we got 2 hours, 2.5. 2.5 hours so far. And then kitchen's about 2 hours, living room's about 2 hours, so 5.5 hours. I bid this a 5.5 hour job, and then I multiply it by how much I'm charging per hour, and then there I go with my bid. What to look for in an inspection? What are we looking for? First of all, when I come out here, I look at the glass. I want to make sure that the glass look good and the doors look well. So when I walk in here, I see the cobweb right there. See that right there? Let's see that cobweb. See, I want the door frame to be clean all the way, wiped off, and the doors. I want the doors to be wiped off on the front door. See a little dust on there. I want to get that front door taken care of. Now, as I look into the bathroom, we're going to the bathroom. All right, that right there. I want to make sure we get that. Look up in that vent. You see that vent right there. But now that we are doing business owners, and they have some experience, I put them in the game, and I watch them and see what they got, and I come behind them. And I don't have to hold their hand when they're a business owner. And see, in business, I believe you just jump out there. Now, you do have people that mentor you, and you got people that you looking for guidance, but you got to get the experience. So put in the game, I showed her some stuff, and then I let her do her thing. Now I'm about to touch it up a little bit. So I'm looking at the oven, and I look down off into the sides of the oven, down off into the oven, down off into there. I'm seeing some smears. I'm gonna see if I can wipe it off. Sometimes it's stained on there. The refrigerator looks clean. The freezer looks clean. Side right there. So she's cleaning, but she needs a little more detail. I can see that. But it looks good overall. Everything really does look good. Make sure you check your corners. The vents look good. On top of your lights, and then we get the dust off the lights. The lampshades at the top. Make sure we get the dust off. I think that look good, no dust on there. All right, so I came in here. She did get the top of that. Okay, that's a trick of a scent. That's what a scent do. Y'all keep and leave your water heater dusted. Don't be doing what we do. All right, now that's a big tip, man. A lot of people leave that. Oh, let's check this. Let's see if she got these ceiling fans. Yes, sir. See, she got them ceiling fans. Let's see about here. I know I'm gonna find something. Got to. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see about the edge, man, them edges. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, yeah, she got them edges. She got them edges. All right, now, as you look, you can see little hair down there, right? So it's clean. The microfiber she using might need to be changed out. So in the corners there, right there. All right, ready to get that? All right, let's go in here. Let's check this room out here. Everything looks good. It smells good in here, I tell you that. It has a scent to it. This definitely has a scent. I like to make it straight. You don't have to, but that's one of my things. Again, a scent, details. One of the details I like to do, making things straight. Also with this, if you can. Now, what is that? Let's go down. Place of the toilet. We got this here, which looks pretty good. I'm gonna see about if I got a white eraser, so trying to get a little bit of that discoloration off. But I know she cleaned it. That definitely looks clean. Let's go back to the bottom of this over here. Alright. See, that's one down here. The bottom of this one clean. So, and then I did see a hair right there. Now, see the hair right there? Now this is from my Airbnb days. Airbnb cleaning keeps you real good for the residential, because they real big on the hair. Commercial cleaning with the horizontal ledges come good when I come into buildings like this, because I know horizontal ledges. So I know to get up here. See, on top of here, dust right there. See, some people miss that dust, but I want to make sure we get that dust up there too. Hot dusting, that's for commercial. The hair beside the toilet and in the bathroom, that's for my Airbnbs. Lifting up the windows, that's for my residentials. I'm about to get out here and I'm about to go get me some supplies, get in here and touch up these few little things and take some before and after pictures and show her what she has missed. She didn't do a bad job for her first time in it by herself, and I didn't have to spend hours of training because she wanted to do a good job. And see, that's something else. I was doing something totally different. Gave her the location. She showed up on the location. She had somebody with her. She came in. I pay her for the job. She get it done. I come out here and check it to make sure it's my quality of work or the scent quality. The person that is paying for the job gets a better job too, because now it's her wanting to do a good job and me wanting to make sure she's better at the job that she's doing. So the client gets a whole better job altogether. That's another one of them scent tips, man. You got two good tips out here, man. This is William Wade with Ascent Cleaning Solutions. Let me go take these before and after pictures and get this thing going, and I'm gonna show y'all another one. All right, peace. Let's get back to the next one. If you like the content that I put up, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share if you think there's someone else like to hear. Or I like to say, throw something positive up in the air. Prayers go up and blessings come down, man. It's a simple.